recipe is chicken croquet.
Take some chicken, add salt. Now mix it very well. Now add water in a pan. Now let it boil. Add chicken. Now add black pepper. Now let it boil.
Our chicken is ready.
Fried chicken. Put chicken in grinder and grind it.
Don't make it too fine. Now put it in a bowl. It should be like this, not too fine. In a pan, add oil. Once color of onion change, add clove. Now add cinnamon. Now add black pepper. Now fry it. Once onion is fried, now put it in grinder. Make fine paste of it. Now our paste is ready. Now add paste in chicken. Add some coriander powder.
Garam masala and
Add salt as per your taste. Now roll it with your hand. Let's dip it in an egg. Now coat it with a breadcrumb.
now fry it.
Now our croquette has become golden brown. Now our tasty chicken croquette is ready to serve.